planet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tiffany May. This is Tiffany May Plans. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are back planning in my creative journal, and this is actually supposed to be the first spread for the week of April, which was also my oldest daughter's birthday. So I wanted to do an April theme, but I also wanted to have touches of some of the things that my oldest daughter appreciates and likes in the planner. I've been holding on to this kit for such a long time. This was from Sara Marie Stickers. It was from a March mystery kit from back in 2023. That's how long I've had this kit. So I, like I said, have been saving it. This was back when she, I think, was first starting to do some of these like journal type looking sticker pages. This is what I have to work with. These 3 pages that are Easter type themed because they have some like rabbit, Easter bunny stickers. It's like a Mother's Day type one as well. She's got the flowers, this banner, this is the weekend. She's got the corner edges here, and she's got the actual deco. What I'm going to pair this with is I have this washi tape that I got at Five Below that is almost like plastic, but it's the same stripe that's in these stickers. So I'm going to use this. And then I have this coffee cup washi tape. This is where my oldest daughter comes in. She loves coffee. She actually works at Dunkin' too. But we're going to use these coffee washi tapes to bring a little touch of my oldest into the spread. So we're going to get started. So this is going to be my first page, and we're going to do 2 tabs and then the last page. I think I'm going to use this plasticky tape first, and for me not to have to worry about going off the page, well, we're just going to do it. We're going to go along this set of dots here, and we're gonna put it right onto there. This does not rip like washi tape, so you do have to cut it. So I'm gonna cut a tab there. Okay, so that is the first page, and I think I want to take the small coffee cup and run it along the edge of this one. I just think that would be cute. So I have to make sure I don't go up onto the lines of the stripe. But I didn't want to like plan and not film it, so we're just going to tuck those little coffee cups along there. So her birthday was on the 3rd, which was a Friday. And I'm filming this way after, but then I think we're going to do the floral washi tape is what we're going to put as the first tab, which is a thicker tape. And her stickers are just going to be shy. We're not going to worry about that. We're going to go and put it right in the center here. So I can always find some kind of a sticker to go over it. And we're going to cut right along the edge. Okay, so we will move that scrap aside, and that gives us our first one. It actually does not show the coffee cups though, so I could actually move this down 1 row. And all of Sara Marie stickers are removable. That is a nice touch. So maybe we'll move this down a little bit too. So it's a little more even on top and bottom. Okay, we'll trim it up 1 more. just because I want those coffee cups to show as well. There we go. So now the coffee cup shows as well. Okay, so that's our first and our second page, and I have the other sticker I can put on there. Then we're going to go to our third one, which is going to be the thin blue strip she has here. So this one we have to get right to its spot. Ooh, this one's way shorter. Okay. Well, let's see. Might have a change there then. Because that one's so much shorter, I don't think we're going to use that. I think we're going to go in with our larger coffee cups, just because I know that these will cover. I think we're going to move it up one more. Here we go. We'll move it up one more notch. Just like that. Okay, and then we'll trim this off here. Beautiful. And that gives us our coffee cups as well as our floral. And we can trim these edges off now. Just like that. Put them aside. This one's not trimmed the best. There we go. If you have a corner trimmer, you could probably trim that corner better. But I have not been able to find mine. So I'm doing the best I can. Okay. So we have, it still didn't trim the best, did it? There we go. Okay. So now I have my tabs. I'm going to go back with the plastic one along this first edge, just like that. So we have that set along this one. Beautiful. Okay. So we have our first page, second page, third, fourth, and now this one's going to get the coffee cups, just like that. So we're going to go across with the coffee cups, like so. Perfect. And then we're going to do the floral one on here. And again, we're going to match it up so that that falls there. Okay. And then we have our pages, which is great. Now, we do have the decor. So we know that the weekend here is Saturday and Sunday, which is where Easter falls. So I do know I want to put this big box sticker on this corner because that would be Easter there. And I can take this weekend banner, and even though this is the same page, we can put this one up here, and we can have weekend coming off of that, just like that. So that is Easter weekend. This would be the Friday, which was my oldest's birthday. So we have a happy birthday here. I'm going to use this box here. We'll put it on this side. And I'm going to do a piece of the tape like that. And the happy birthday, just to make it a little decorative. And we can do the little heart on here too, like that. So we can also do these little pieces, like the swatches, just like that. And her birthday was the 3rd. So I can put a 3 right there. And then this was Saturday and Sunday. So we can put Saturday right here with the 4th. And we can put Sunday down here. And that was the 5th. And then this would be the Thursday and the 2nd. We have Wednesday, which was the 1st. And we have Tuesday, which was the 31st. And then the Monday, which was the 30th. Beautiful. So then we also have these pieces, which are corner pieces that we could use. So I think for this one, I'm going to place it up against the edge here. I did not put the coffee on the edge here because we have the coffee on the following page, so I didn't feel the need to double that up. But I can take that and pair it with one of these, and that will be my decor for that page, which is cute. And then I think we need some decor on this one. I can take this piece again, and we can have it come out this way, and we can use another one of our girls here. So that way we have some kind of decor on each page. And then over here, I do want to write Happy Easter, even though we know it's already Easter. And that gives us a nice quick weekly spread using a kit that I have saved for a while. And then I still have some pieces here that I could use in another spread that I could put in my planner or something like that. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, as well as hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my next videos. And I do hope that you enjoyed this quick weekly spread back planning in my creative journal. Bye, planner friends.